Today's quick tip: what to do when you run out of these. When planting different varieties of the same crop, it's important to label them, and that's where these plant labels, these little wooden sticks, really come in handy. That way you don't have problems like when you plant artichokes and ginseng in the same flat. You forget about it, that you're not thinking one is the other. So we have a good tip on what to do as a substitute for these little plant labels. I really like the wooden plant labels. When you're done planting the flat, you can just leave the labels right in the field and not worry about it. We've used plastic labels in the past, and I really don't like that because they stick around forever. But they can be pretty pricey from a seed catalog, so we've got a pretty good substitute that we like to use. And they're craft sticks. Now, just to give you an idea, one of our favorite seed companies, we won't name the name, for 1,000 plant labels, it's $44. So that's a little pricey. We can go on Amazon and get not plant labels, but craft sticks, which are basically the same thing, and 1,000 of them is $11.13. Now that's quite a savings. Or if you have a Walmart close to you, you can get 1,000 craft sticks for $7.90. So compared to the seed company for $44 for 1,000, you can go to Walmart and get 1,000 for $7.90. If you don't feel like traveling, maybe you live quite a distance from a Walmart, you could order them through Amazon. The prices are pretty close. Imagine if you figured in your gas, and if you have Amazon Prime, in your time, it's probably just as easy to order online. Craft sticks I've gotten are fairly large, and if we wanted to, we could just actually cut those in half and have double the amount. So just a quick tip: instead of using the wooden plant labels from a seed company or from your local garden center, get some craft sticks. There's a variety of places you can get them from, and you can save yourself some money. Thanks for watching.